first step in making fried apples is get an apple, obviously, duh. I bought this tool quite a while ago. It's kind of neat. If you look at all the sections that are in it, it makes it so that you get a nice small uniform piece. You just put it on top of the apple, press down, flip the bottom up, press down, and it pops those out. That's it. Now they have to be peeled yet, but this makes it a whole lot easier doing your apples. And grab another one. So you see what I mean. This section comes right out, goes in the compost pile. Next apple falls in place. Center it, line it up with the core, push down, pop it. I put them in water with a little bit of lemon juice. Can you see it? And kind of coat them so they don't turn brown on me. I usually do 3 apples at a time because that's how big my fry pan is. You get one more apple. Undo the bottom, line it up. Work it down, then press on it, pop it. There's my 3 apples. Okay, the next step, you can see it, you can move this way, is to peel it. So I peel it by starting there, taking it around, and when I'm done, put it in the compost, and you can see, I check it to make sure there's no bruise spots on it. This one looks like it's been dropped, so see it there? There's the bruise section there and here. So I'll cut those out. Looks good. And then, if you come over here, the next step is you put the apples in the fry pan. All that juice is coming from the apple. See it? When I start my first batch, I start it with a little olive oil in the bottom. Then I sprinkle brown sugar on top. How much? Depends on how sweet you want it, but per pan I use about that much brown sugar, and I sprinkle it uniformly across the top. This already has the brown sugar in it. I can add a little more so you can see it. But there you go. You sprinkle the brown sugar over top. You cook it on medium-high heat. And when you're done, they look like that. See the apple juice and brown sugar, and they're sweet. Mom used to call them fried apples. We used to have them with biscuits, or you can make pies out of them. So they're good to eat.